Now that you've went ahead and ordered your pre-filter, let's show you how to replace it. Here's the tools required to replace your pre-filter. You're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver, some food grade silicone, and a pair of pliers. What you're gonna wanna do first is disconnect all your plumbing connections and electrical power. Second step, if you loosen up your wheel locks here, you're going to want to lift up on the unit and slide the wheels off. Next step, you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver and you're going to remove all 6 faceplate screws. There will be water inside the Mobile Pro Mini, so it's probably best that you do this outside. After removing all the screws, place both hands on the end plate and carefully wiggle and pull the end plate out. Your pre-filter is located in the top left of the plate here. Go ahead and reach your arm if you can and pull the pre-filter out. Notice the direction. It has an arrow of the existing pre-filter. So once that's removed, take your new pre-filter. Again, pay attention to the arrows. You won't have any seal on this side, which gets inserted first. And then go ahead and take some food grade silicone and lubricate what we call the chevron seal on the end. And then again, paying attention to the arrow's direction, go ahead and gently slide that pre-filter in the hole all the way. Next, we're going to either replace or inspect all of our O-rings. So if you have them in your kit, go ahead and replace. For these purposes, all of our O-rings are in great condition. And there will be 3. Before putting the end plate back on, there is also another little membrane product O-ring inside of this metal cylinder here. You can re-lubricate that or replace it if needed. Take both hands on the end plate and we're going to line this up with the membrane in here, right in the center. And you'll feel it. And go ahead and hold it together. Before you put your screws back in, we recommend Tough Gel or any corrosion eliminator or anti-seize. Now that we've replaced our pre-filter, it's important to note we have a cleaner on the initial startup of every pre-filter. So how we're going to utilize this is we're going to connect all of our hoses, leave the power disconnected, turn on your dock water, let it run out of the brine discharge for about 30 seconds, and then turn off your dock water. You're going to let the solution soak inside the mobile unit for 30 minutes, but up to 24 hours. Of course, the longer you let it soak, the better your system performance is going to be. Once you've replaced the pre-filter, you'll now need to reset your pre-filter maintenance hours. To do so, leave your dock water off and disconnected. Go ahead and plug in the Mobile Pro Mini. And at the same time, press select and set for 3 seconds to unlock the LCD display. Now we're unlocked. Once the touchscreen is unlocked, hit select until you get to filter hours, then press set until you reach reset hours. Hold set and select for 3 seconds until you see saved. We have just completed the pre-filter replacement.